Want to make public a private YouTube playlist directly from your phone? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, you will need to open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure you are signed in to your account. Tap on the Library tab, which is located in the bottom right corner of the app, to see your content. Now, you should find the Playlists section and tap on View All to see all your curated lists. Find the specific private playlist that you want to make public and tap on its title to open it, or simply tap the three-dot menu from the right of the title. Tap the pencil icon, Edit button. This will open the playlist editing screen, where you can change its details and privacy settings. You will see a privacy drop-down menu, which will currently be set to private. Tap on it to change. From the options, select Public and then tap the arrow or checkmark in the top corner to save the change and make your playlist public. And that's how you can make a private YouTube playlist public on your phone, ensuring your content is discoverable. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.